commercial. They are coming in the yard limit speed about 10 miles an hour, so they gotta slow down because they're at the switch curve. So guys, that was me telling the trains near my name, so that way, whenever they see me, they know me now. I'm just not afraid to walk up to a train engineer and say hi. Not afraid. And my brothers are just right down yonder, and so they're going to wait until they pass by and rehook to the train. And they're doing a stop. So man, two trains here at the exact same time. This is actually pretty cool. But this is most of the dark spots. And right now he is checking the axles to make sure they're on the rails. And they are about to back the train up. So this is a pretty neat job here. And those people in that vehicle down yonder, they are not too happy what is currently going on right now. I currently had to stop for the train. Stray ditch. Alright guys, that was me checking my footing. So I actually know where I'm going in this grass, but I wouldn't try it. I mean, I just wouldn't try this at home or any place like this. So they're gonna back the train up to the certain stop. I mean, really, I should have brought my, should have got my stuff out of the car, out of the truck. Some of you, I mean, you're probably saying, what do you mean? My flashlight, I forgot my flashlight. So right now he's checking all the trains, make sure axles are on the tracks. He's checking every brake hose, every brake line, everything you want to know. And that blinking light you currently see there, it's currently blinking. That's not a guy's flashlight. What you're currently seeing is the railroad crossing function box. That function box will tell you if the crossing is working or not. That invention came out whenever a semi hit the train dead on. And that's when they decided to put the blinking light on for the box. It's not the railroad's fault the trucker hit them, because he should have yielded for an oncoming train. Even though if the crossings weren't working, he seen the train. And I think the crossings were working at the time of the accident, but the railroad decided to put something up. And I'm currently back where I started. And right now and counting, they got 100 train cars and counting. So they're going to put some of this stuff on the siding and pick it up tomorrow and haul it back into the mill back in that way. And then they're going to stack that train back there for the Ken Mitchie, my brothers. And so So it's neat. So they're about to drop the chips cars off right now. It's right there. So we're just gonna drop those off. Wait till my other friends just come on by and back up the train for a couple few minutes. So this is awesome. Live action here. And the train conductor is trying to line the switch, so he'll be right behind this train in a few minutes. Actually, seen a couple of people just get out of line. They're about to move out of these people's way, and then Kiamichi Railroad, my buddies over down yonder, they're going to go through and over there. So he's waiting on the dispatch. But this is really neat. This is very rare to have two trains meeting at the exact same time, and so it's really rare this ever happens. It's a very rare event for the Kiamichi and the Valliant Railroad here, known as the Queen Railroad. So this is actually pretty neat, seeing two trains. And there goes the Queen boys. So I want to go over there and meet my friends right over there. Oh, there goes a cat or a skunk. Look at all the cars. Okay guys, it's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time on the hot rails by the Queen boys. So he's not ready to wave at me just yet, but later on in life, when they get to know me a lot better and stuff like that, and I'm a local railroad photographer, so it's my job. So guys, I will catch you guys next time. Don't forget to share and comment and subscribe. I'm sorry if I talked through some of the video guys, but I know them and stuff like that. I mean, this is really rare for this to happen. So there must have been a miscommunication or something. So they both got there at the same time. So somebody has priority here. So I don't know if Kiamichi has priority or does T&E. So I think both of them have priority. So one of them has to wait until one makes the move in the switch. So alright guys, don't forget to share and comment and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, like I said before. If you haven't, just keep watching my videos and keep watching, and then you get used to this and stuff like that. Then you press the like button and press the description below to subscribe. Alright guys, but if you haven't, please do. So, alright guys, catch you guys later. I'm marching out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video on the next adventures on the Queen Railroad. So that's it for the Queen tonight. I'll be filming the Kiamichi Road just a few minutes. So, catch you guys later. Marching out. Thanks for watching.